It's uncertain. It's very uncertain right now. I feel for my colleagues, for a lot of colleagues and friends that are in our regional offices that have been affected by this rift. And so right now, my heart just goes out to them.
So it's sad for anyone to lose their job, but thousands of people in health and human services have been laid off. This is all part of the budget cuts. I have been covering, so many layoffs on this channel since last year, 2024. So people were in these long lines outside of the building waiting to see if their badges would work. This is all part of them reducing inefficiencies and ensuring that taxpayers' dollars are being used more effectively. So, are these jobs that they're cutting administrative positions or non essential roles? When you look at these jobs, are they underperforming where you need to go in and make these staff cuts?
And the FDA is actually a lot larger than today than it was even in 2019. I think one of the goals here is to try to get the staffing levels back to what they were then. What's happened between now and then, though, it was 5 years of gradual buildup. A lot of it was due to new legislation supported on a bipartisan basis by both parties to do more in the way of disease cures, additional steps to speed gene therapies and other advanced therapies to market that take complicated manufacturing of stuff that FDA didn't do before, new steps on rare diseases to get more specialized personnel and opportunities to work closely with patient communities on figuring out the best way to regulate those products. So the hope is, productivity tends to go down when you have a big reorg, but then goes back up. The hope is that through new information technology, other steps, these reforms can enable the FDA to do more with less.
And this all goes back to some of the videos that I did here on this channel with automation and technology taking people's jobs. Now, some of these roles may be automated and later upgraded, okay? But a lot of federal workers had this sense of job security, but this can be misleading because during times when the budget needs to be cut, shifts in government priorities, the reality is that job security is never guaranteed, even if it's in a government role. So many who work for someone else, well, anyone who works for anyone else can be laid off, whether you're in the private sector, government, or any other type of organization. Job security isn't guaranteed to anyone, no matter how stable the job may seem. So, with the advancement and technology and automation, performance issues, reducing expenses, political factors, and this isn't the end of it. If you think now is bad, wait until 2030, in a couple years. Some of the jobs that you see that are being performed by human workers is going to be replaced by AI and automation. With the amount of people out here protesting, companies are wanting to save more money. They're really wanting to cut the cost. So when the cost of AI and automation comes down, it's game over at that point. When it becomes more affordable, you're going to see a lot of things are going to start to change. If you're not working for yourself, I don't know. I know everyone can't be business owners or want to be. Sorry, you guys, my battery's low. I know everyone doesn't want to be a business owner, and stuff like that. But if you're wanting to be a W-2 worker, you have to start working on yourself. You have to develop some type of skill set. You're really going to have to stand out if you're wanting to survive. And I don't know if I would necessarily recommend you get on YouTube, to create a source of income. They can monetize you and then later demonetize you. Unless you do like a faceless YouTube channel, then you'll probably be fine. But doing a YouTube channel like mine where you see my face and then I might talk about certain topics that, might hurt people's feelings or something like that, but whatever gifts, whatever talents you have, now it's time for you, to turn those into a business maybe. Make it work for you. There are some stories, there are some things that, you can share with us that you've been holding on to. And I think that now is the time for you to let us see those things. So make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you guys have to say about this. And you guys take care, and I'll see you in another video.